Whilst there are jigs for regular twist drills, I couldn't find anything for a spade drill, so I decided to make one. Basically it's a board that can be clamped to a door and a rigid metal bracket with a hole of the same diameter as the shank of the spade drill. I did a trial run on some scrap timber with a 13mm spade drill. My interior door was 35mm thick, so the centre line of the hole is 17.5mm from the face of the door. I found it best to drill a 4mm pilot hole to ensure a good alignment. It worked fine. With the aid of a 13mm twist drill, I checked that the hole was perpendicular. So now to drill the new door. I clamped the door with my workmate to keep it steady. Having marked the position for the latch, I drilled the pilot hole, not very deep. The 24mm spade drill was inserted into the jig and clamped to the door, ensuring that the centerline marking on my jig aligned correctly. The drill was attached and off we go. The drill went in about 50mm before the check approached the jig's bracket, so at that point the jig was removed. The 24mm hole now adequately kept the drill aligned until the hole was bored to the required depth. The latch and handle were fitted in a normal way, and job done.